Alright, good day. This is Kel from Trade with the Boys. Now, thank you for supporting us in 2018. Now, this is 2019. We'd like to share with you more stuff of what's happening in the US stock market. Now, basically, we are actually seeing a change of position. Analysts are bullish. Yes, as a matter of fact, now people are seeing the 12% recovery from the recent low of 21,460 for the Dow Jones to today nearly 24,000. Traders, analysts are turning bullish. Now we have been maintaining our stand that the support will be at 22,908 and the market have been firmly staying above it. So unless 22,908 get trashed out, if not, we are still staying on these fence and waiting for the bigger thing to happen. So why are the analysts bullish? Let's take a look at a report from the CNBC. Now, basically here shows that, right, there's a report in December. No Wall Street analysts believe stocks will suffer in 2019. Now, look at it now. The market is looking at this. It's a table that is ongoing. Okay, let's move to the table now. You can see that from Bank of America, Barclays Bank, Citigroup, Credit Suisse, Swiss Bank, Goldman Sachs, HSBC, practically everyone is pretty bullish. They are all looking at the market to stay above the 3,000 level, while we know that the market now is trading right below it. Okay, the market is trading lower than this current levels. So what are the main reasons of the optimism? Now, basically, they are looking at all this thing. It's like the record high peak earnings. They are looking at the US economy to continue its economy expansion, and they are also looking at basically the potential resolvement in the China-US talk, and also there are increment on the personal saving, the sizable private sector financial surplus, and of course the real income growth on the rising wage growth and the lower oil prices. So there are basically pretty good, impressive writings right here telling us that the US stock market has room to go up. Yes, up. So let's take a look at the stock and the chart, and we make our decision ourselves then. Okay. Now this is S&P 500. Now it's about 2,600 level. So we're talking about at least another 10 to 20% upside from here based on the reports from the analysts. Now what we can see is this. This was a death cross we mentioned back in November, which obviously we have profited quite happily with this movement down, but we mentioned that at 2352 there will be a very critical support level there, which the market rebounded from here and went all the way up. Now seriously, that is a number now. The market will be looking for the S&P at 2646. Okay, if the market can go past 2646, we could even see the S&P going all the way back to 2793 level. Okay, there is a potential. Okay, so that is the S&P 500, but you can see we could have a potential resistance pretty soon. Now this is the Dow Jones chart. Now similar thing, we mentioned that 21,560 is a very important support level which the market perfectly nailed it and reversed up. Okay, then the next level that we mentioned is 22,908, which also we can see the market is staying right above it now. Now the Dow Jones is going to move towards the next figure is 24,255, a key technical level that I'm looking at. But if the market fail to stay above 24,255 and pull back, the 22,908 has to stay. It has to hold its ground before any potential pullback down. Now I would like to say upfront here, at this current moment now, we do expect the Dow Jones to be heading towards 24,255 at top. If not, it should be resisted around 24,000. A pullback down to 22,908 and closing below it is a very dangerous sign. Traders has to be very careful if this actually happen. If not, if the market do come all the way down and break the 21,560 level and goes down further, I am looking at 20,000 to be traded in the near 3 to 6 month time. I'm going to say this upfront first, okay? Just be very careful, traders. Just watch it. The only thing that is leading the market charges down is probably the Nasdaq. Now, the Nasdaq is actually very, very near to the 50-day MA. Now, what actually happens right here? It was basically because of the rebuying into the FANG stocks, which is the Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, right? Okay, so basically these are the reasons why the Nasdaq counter has rebounded from the lowest point right here, has rebounded more than 800 over points in just a matter of 12 trading days. Okay, this is very impressive. So traders, be very careful on what's going to happen. Make sure that you do your homework in the market. Now, if you like something that what are we using, let me show you. This is the Phoenix PSV3 indicator. So you can see right here in the beginning of the day it was pretty flat, but when the selling kicks in, you can see right here we do a sell position on the Dow Jones, and incredibly we mentioned that the Dow Jones will stay above or will be supported at 23,796, right? You remember that? I posted on Facebook, and indeed unprecedented, the market just basically hangs right here, perfectly hit 23796 twice and staged a strong rebound all the way up. Now this number can be yours for you to study and watch throughout the whole day as long as you're the PSV3 version with you. This is incredible. This is something that many traders now are looking for, and if you want to have this software to give you this incredible levels for you to buy back position or sell position, please contact me via a PM and we will get back to you. Alright, this is Cal signing off for the weekend. Goodbye.